Hey guys, well it's the, the 18th of November, and I'm headed to the gun range. I gotta go sight in my new scope here. Frickin' my steering is going on this damn van. It is just terrible. It's shimmying really bad, or it was. It's like whenever I hit a bump, it starts shimmying. But, whatever, that's bullshit. So, yeah, I'm headed to the range. I think it's like $3 to shoot. There it goes again. I gotta get this gun as accurate as possible here. I tried to sight it in before, but all the bolts came loose on me. Not all of them, but the mounting screws that hold the gun to that hold the scope to the gun. I'm trying to figure out where the hell I am. I can't remember how to get to this place. Is the right way? I don't even know if I'm going the right goddamn way. Shit, I'm gonna have to stop and check. Alright. Yeah, I think I got it figured out here. I took a wrong turn, but that's okay, because it's gonna take me right to where I need to be anyway. A lot of weird intersections out here. Anyway, so I'm over by Moseley, Wisconsin right now, and the range is somewhere behind you guys. But as I was saying, I want to move that stand. If anything, just move to the north side. Give it a little bit of structural integrity and just, maybe throw a couple walls up real quick. I don't know. I don't think it would take very long at all to do. I could probably have it done, and providing I had the right stuff to do it with, and the right materials, I could probably have it done like an hour or two. But dragging it, that's another story. I think it's 12 feet high, and it's not even in good shape. But I'd like to have it as a backup just in case. There it goes again. God damn it, what the hell? I like to have it as a backup just in case I can't get to my deer stand in the woods back there. Right now, the only way I think I can get to my deer stand would be with the four-wheeler and maybe hip waders. I don't know. I don't know what's going to happen this season, guys. And I missed my turn. Are you freaking kidding me? I will say this, it is beautiful country out here. Old abandoned house down there, that's pretty cool. A lot of forest. Wow. Imagine I got some good deer hunting back here. Be a good spot to go deer shining. That's one thing I didn't hardly ever get to do this year was go deer shining. Nobody wanted to go. Nobody wanted to waste the gas. Can't really blame them, really. Yeah, I don't know if I'm going to be able to move that stand or not today. I don't think I'll have the time. Plus my arm is still really weak yet. I don't even know if I can pick up my gun properly. God, those shots really screwed my shit up. They said 2 days, maybe 3. Well, yeah, it's been about 2 now, so. There's all the big bucks. I suppose I could, if I don't get that stand moved, I could always sit in the barn, because that field is about 100 yards from the barn to the woods, to the very far end. So I should be okay. I don't know. I'm just thinking out loud. Yeah, woods just when it started raining. Actually, the day of my injections, I got out there, and I was using my right arm for almost everything. I couldn't hardly move my left arm, but I had to get out there. I had to check the cameras. I had to check the stand, everything like that. So I went out there, and I was driving around, and the only way to get to the deer stand is to drive up to the creek. And the creek wasn't too high yet because it had only been raining for half a day or so. So I was like, all right, well, I'll drive up the creek, get to the deer stand, check the cameras, everything. And I'm driving up, I got everything checked. I started coming back, and I thought, well, I'll take this other route out of the creek. Well, it was this really steep embankment. And so I tried to drive up it, and I couldn't get up it. I ran right into it, and it was like, whoa, and I almost flipped it backwards. And, I only got one arm, and so I was like, all right, well, this is a bad idea. And I backed up and went out the way I came in. Well, when I got out, I went to check this other camera, and the card was acting funny. So I was like, all right, well, I'll just reformat the card in my red camera. That was gone. The camera fell out of my pocket into the creek and washed away. $200 camera, a $50 or $60 SD card, brand new battery. I was just sick. I was just freaking sick. I didn't even, oh my God, I was so mad. I still am pretty upset about it. So I don't have a zooming camera now. I've got to figure out what I'm going to do. If I'm going to have to bring my big bulky DSLR camera, or I found a couple of cheapies, but I have no money right now. Holy shit, I'm at the gun range in case you can't tell. Fucking scared the hell out of me there. Oh, park right over here. And my power steering is going. Everything's going to shit. Alright guys, so this is 50 yards here. Hear that? Blowing right over top of us. Simply just put the target in here and then rotate it. There we go. Let's go see if we can hit it. Okay. Alright, so at 50 yards, I'm down and to the right. Okay, good. Alright guys, so let's see how well we did here. Oh yeah. Alright, we're gonna go to 100 now. Oh God. You ready?
Yeah. Oh man, it looks like right dead center. Here, take a look, see. Front part is a focus.
Oh yeah. Well, it's a little to the right, but it's dead center. A little to the right.
How far? Half inch?
Half inch, maybe
I
an
wouldn't
inch.
move it.
You wouldn't?
No, not for a half inch.
Let me
Not
try.
for your first shot.
That's true. It would take a deer down, yeah.
Yeah.
Let's try it again here.
That looks like about an inch low dead center.
Okay.
Yeah, that group I wouldn't mess with. Especially with a 30-30 at 100 yards. That is 30-30,
That's
yeah?
30-30, yeah. That's crazy. I never had that gun that accurate.
See it?
Oh, yeah. Maybe one more here. I know you're probably waiting to get on here.
Oh, I'm in no hurry. I'm
This is my-
retired. I got plenty of.
Oh.
Hopefully you'll pick up the next one. Yeah, I'll take one more bag.
Dead center.
Hey, that's pretty damn good.
Wow. Holy.
The bag? Yeah.
Yeah, you're not gonna get much better than that.
No. This is the most accurate this gun has ever been. It's never been this accurate. I'll pick up these. You don't have to worry about
I'll get her. I got time. A little bit. Oh. See, I already got them for you. There we go. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. All right. I'm gonna get the target. And then there we go, guys. 100 yards. That's pretty good. How do you get back there? What is that? 150?
No, it's a 200-yard range. You go. You
Oh,
walk
back
on
there. Huh.
They even have a 600-yard range.
Do they? I don't think a 30-30 would be very good at that one.
No.
Huh. There's the muzzle loaders over there. And then this is rifle for, I believe it's 100 yards right here. Yeah, it's only 100. And then the one where I was, which is up there, is 200. Check this out, guys. Sheriff's Department is here and they got a bomb robot. This guy's bomb gear shit on. They already had an explosion down there. It's big too. I thought I shot something. Well, that was a lot of fun actually. I'm pretty much dead on at 100 yards. So I'm okay with that, you know. It's a little, I don't know. I'm on. That's all I need. And this. Marathon Coney Bomb Squad. Kaboom, motherfucker. Yeah, it was a big freaking explosion. I just shot. I literally had shot and kaboom! And a big old flames shot over the bank and everything. And I was like, what'd I shoot? You know, what'd I hit? And the dude is like, oh no, the bomb squad is here. And I'm like, well, you know, a little warning would have been nice, but it was big, man. I felt the pressure wave and everything. It was really crazy. So, yeah, that was fun. And then I had this old guy come in, and he wanted my spot, and he's like, I'll let you use a target that shows up, you know, that shows where you hit it, and I'll spot for you if you let me use the spot when you're done. Hell yeah, you know, set up, let's do it. So he gave me this target, right there. That's at 100 yards, and yeah, we got everything squared away, and he helped me get it sighted in, and he was telling me exactly where I need to move how many times I need to do the, you know, the clicks and everything, and really nice guy. And apparently he used to live up on my parents, so I told him where I was hunting, he's like, oh man, he's like, best deer area, or best deer hunting in the area, he goes, over there. And I'm like, well, I wouldn't go that far. He's like, well, it used to be. I'm like, well, not anymore. It is coming down. Holy shit, niggas. So right now I'm gonna go and head over to John's. Amanda's got to leave for work at 4:30. It's 1:30 now. I'm just gonna go over there and bullshit with him. I haven't seen him in a few days and see how he's doing. And he got a new phone. I gotta show him how to use it. But man, is it pissing on him? Holy crap. Yeah, I kind of got the vibe that people didn't like me recording. You know, when I turned the camera on myself, I must have had 3 different guys behind the camera just staring at me, kind of glaring, you know. I was like, what, you know? I'm just recording myself. I'm not putting you guys in the picture. But they finally went off and did their own thing. And then I went down to check their targets. And I was walking down and I had a couple guys just glaring at me. I was like, wow, really? You know, I mean, well, it is a gun range. I suppose people, I don't know what's the problem, honestly. Alright, I gotta kind of stay on the road. It's coming on sheets here. Alright guys, well I just got back from my woods. I forgot to bring the camera, I'm sorry. I left it in my van and went with John. Kind of the spur of the moment thing. And it is flooded. Flat out, just flooded. I tried to get to my stand, the one on the creek there, and my boots got swamped. It was so bad. But, you know, it's only Wednesday, so it's not supposed to rain anymore this week. So hopefully, you know, I'm sure it'll go down. It goes down pretty quick. It rises quick and it goes down quick. And the current, oh man, everywhere I went, there was freaking a river. You know, just trying to get to the 2-man stand that Kenny and I put up. I must have had to cross 3 different streams that were probably 15 feet wide or more. And They were all knee deep. Oh, and so I thought, okay, well, I'll go back up and I'll get a real long board. Well, the board wasn't long enough for as wide as they were, so yeah. And then I thought I was gonna swamp out my four-wheeler. I was driving down the marsh trail because John was over at the box stand and putting some last-minute touches on it, and it was bad. It was over the seat, but the four-wheeler made it. Didn't have a problem going through it all. But I'm standing up. I'm standing on the seat. John got some video of it, but I don't know how to get it. He's gonna have to bring his phone in, and we're gonna have to do it that way. He extract the video off his phone. I tried to send it to myself, but it was just too big. So I'm just gonna have to try and get that footage from him. Maybe I can get him to come in. I don't know, but it was pretty funny. Got it. I don't know. Might just end up sitting in a barn. What else have I got? I mean, the box stand, yeah, but I'm not gonna sit with John because he's smoking, and I'm not gonna sit. John can't get to his stand. You should always have a backup stand. That's what you should do. You should always have a backup stand. Take my own advice, right? Well, anyway, I'm almost home here, and I don't know what's gonna happen. If anything, I'll probably end up hunting the other woods if it comes down to it all, where we can't get access to either one of our deer stands. Alright guys, I'm gonna call it quits and go home and take care of the kids and get some food in my belly and dry off my feet. My freaking feet are frozen. So I will catch you guys on the next one.